Let's talk sharpening accessories. So in the last video we talked about the Sharpen water stones, and this one is a really quick video to talk about the other little things you need to take care of them and to use them. This is the DMT diamond lapping plate. I mistakenly said in a previous video that it was 120 grit. It's actually 120 micron, kind of a big difference there. This is available at sharpeningsupplies.com. It's available at Lee Valley Veritas, and I believe you can get it at Lee Nielsen as well. So take your pick of those providers and go over there and get yourself a lapping plate. This is a nice thin ruler that I've only been able to find at Lee Nielsen, but I picked up a tip on the internet a while back where somebody was using just a thin strip of plastic from a plastic milk carton. So it doesn't have to be any particular thickness, but in case you're wondering, it is 20 thousandths thick. I know how the engineers think. I used to be one. So something around 20 thousandths thick makes a really good ruler for the ruler trick. I've got two of these welcome mats. They're just a rubber grid. This one I've cut to fit inside this tray, and I've got another one underneath to keep everything from sliding around. The biggest reason I have this in here is to raise these stones up so that they're not down in this hole. If you're doing a lot of woodworking and you're going to be sharpening a lot, this tray will get a lot of liquid in it before the end of the day or over the course of several days, and you want to be able to work without working in a puddle. The tray itself comes from IKEA. It's called the Bag Muck, but you can use any boot tray from a home improvement store. And while you're at the home improvement store, get one of these little pump water sprayers. They're great for wetting the stones down, and if you spent the money on the Sharpen Pros, the Ha-No Kuro Makus, you can just spray them down and go to sharpening. You don't have to worry about soaking, and this is a great way to keep water in your shop if you don't have running water. The last thing you're going to need to sharpen, if you're me, is a honing guide, and we'll talk about that in the next video.